So welcome back to another day trading. Today I opened a short position on TQQQ because today was very important day actually. It's because a lot of news came out, so that's why I just short the market after a few hours. So, and my trade for today takes around 4 or 5 minutes the maximum, but I just hit around $1,200 in only 5 or 4 minutes. So let me show you what exactly I did. So as you can see on the screen, so we have the Nasdaq at the same time, also TQQ, and the Nasdaq and TQQ is almost the same. On the right side we have Nasdaq, on the left side we have TQQ. So here I just shorted TQQ with 8,000 share, and on the right side you can see the Nasdaq will just think about should go up or should come down, and a lot of the option actually. So the news was very important, and then I put my TP around 1,200. So let me explain you what happened today. So today the Jerome Powell actually have the meeting with the Fed, so that was very important. So what we should do, if you know the market, don't open a position, and if you know the market and what will happen in future, or at least 1 hour or 2 hour, so just open a position. So I'm not always open a position with so when the news came out, so I normally nothing, but in this case I can see the Nasdaq have the different position. So we can see it's going up and down, is almost the trend, but here I just shorted the market, and I can see okay, the market will coming down also and also going up, so I can open a position and take that position. So that was very easy actually, and but the most of the time, so you couldn't guess what happened in future. So but the normally, so yeah, don't do that if you are beginners. So yeah, because the base, so trade the base on the news, it's very dangerous actually. So maybe you lost a lot of money, but yeah, I also made money, but also I lose a lot of money in the trade with by the base by news. So this is my advice for you guys. So today is just coming out the interest rate actually. So which is, if it's more than 25%, the economy rise, and if it's the lower the 25%, the economy will be fall. So that was very important. So you should be always updated and also follow all the news. So this is very important to you. So let's go back to our trade. So you can see the Nasdaq is still coming down or up, and I also was in the loss around 100 and 200, but I just keep the position because I knew the Nasdaq will coming down again. And yeah, and after, so here it started going up, and I was in almost 300 in the loss, so I just keep it. So the important thing is just follow the news and be updated. So this is the important item if you want to be success in the trade. So just be always updated. And also the TQQ is almost the Nasdaq. So if the Nasdaq move 1%, the TQQ move 3%. So that has also good option. If you have not a lot of money to trade, just trade on TQQ, which is very also based on the Nasdaq. So yeah, so let's go back, and I'm here is around 200 in the profit, and here this start the Nasdaq coming down. So let's just see. And when I just traded, so the news also coming out, and Jerome Powell was talking with their partners and also all the people, and but here the coming down, the Nasdaq started coming down, and I was almost 800 in the profit, but also was very risky. It was very, very risky actually. So because a lot of people they lose a lot of money in the trade, because I also did, but in this case, yeah, so when you know about the Nasdaq also coming half down. Maybe it's going up after 10 minutes. So we don't know, because this trade is based on the news. So I just hit my target around 1,200, and yes, so that was my trade. And the point of this video, if you want to, just be careful. If you want to open a position based by news, just accept the risk. In the bad scenario, so you miss a lot of money. So yeah, just be update and don't trade most of the time. If you are beginner, don't trade when the news coming out, because that's very risky. And you, for example, if you trade for 1 week and all the 5 days is green, but in 1 day when you trade in the news, maybe you lost all of the profit. So which I also did before many years ago. And yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe the channel. And if you like this video, just push the like button. And also, if you want to use this platform, which I use, is called Colmex Pro. So this platform, if you use that my link, so you get 1 month free fee, and then you don't need to pay any fee to the broker for 1 month. Otherwise you should pay, but if you trade in the stock, is a very good option to use that. I use a lot of the broker and have experience, but the Colmex Pro is very good to trade in stock. Crypto and Forex is a little good, but also you can use and trade crypto or Forex in this platform. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day, night or morning.